Hey Marco, just wanted to introduce myself formally to you. My name is Dan Garcia, and I just wanted to make this little quick video, show you a little bit about what I do and how I help local handyman in the area. So what I do is I generate leads for a local handyman, landscapers, carpet cleaners, stuff like that. So basically, it's like a mini version of Angie's List or Home Advisor, except I don't work with a bunch of people. I just work with one business owner per the category per city, right? I don't work with multiple people. I don't do that. I work exclusively with one person in one each city. Let's get into it. So say people are looking for handyman. So right now I have leads coming in Chino. So what people do when they're looking for services, they'll Google, right? Handyman, Chino, California. Okay. So what this is called right here, this is called the Map Pack. And we are ranked number one in the Map Pack for handyman, Chino, the keyword handyman. Down here is what's called organic. And we're number two organically. So this is my website, and this is us in the map app right here. And I'll show you right now. Um, so Handyman Chino is our website. Click on there. Here we are. Got to click to call number, and people can also request service through email submission forms, text message, phone call. And here we are organically. So see, there we are again. Um, so that's how people find us. And I'll show you right now. We track the calls so you can see how we can track it. So this is called a heat map. And this is where we rank in the map pack in this area. So this is the Chino area, right? So this is where we're ranked in these areas. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see. So here's Chino. Here's Chino Hills. And here's Diamond Bar up over here. But we're ranked number one in all these places. And, we're working on ranking in these other spots as well. But these are where the calls are coming through this map pack and from the website. Right here, let's go to calls. So here's the calls, and these are all my customers. I got a guy in Riverside too. But let's go to, I can show you how many came in the past 30 days for, let's see here. Hold on one second, sorry. For my Chino site, let's go. So here we go. Handyman Chino. Total calls, we had 26. So the last 30 calls, it says our last 30 days, it said we had 111 calls. Um, I'm not sure if that's completely accurate. There was quite a few spam calls and marketing calls. I'm not gonna lie, that's part of the deal. You're gonna get people trying to sell you stuff. But we can filter those calls. We can block those calls. And a lot of times, this guy that I'm working with right now, he hasn't been answering the phone a lot. He's moving to Georgia. That's why I've been looking for somebody else to work with. You're actually the first person that I reached out to so far. But he's moving, so he doesn't answer. His voicemail hasn't been set up. I don't even know if he's been calling people back. So that's bad. I need somebody who's reputable, who's going to answer the phone, who's going to call customers back. But these are the calls, so um, we can actually listen to the calls too. These are forms that have been submitted through the website. Not too many come in, maybe one every other month, but you can see it'll say, seeing no comments there. But let's go back to the calls. I want to show you the calls real quick. So right here, this was a no answer. I don't know, Handyman Chino. He didn't answer. Let's find one. Okay, he answered this one. Handyman Chino came in from Los Angeles today. Call lasted 4 minutes and 42 seconds. And we can actually play the call and listen to it.
Hello. Hi, good morning. This is James, and I'm calling on behalf of Farmers on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
Oh, see, that's one of the spam calls. We can start blocking those. But let me get a legit call from this site so you can really hear. So this one came from Riverside a couple days ago. 3 minutes. Handyman Chino.
Hello.
Yes, is this handyman services?
Yes.
Yes, I was calling to get a quote.
Okay.
Okay, what I have is I have the not jar, but the let me how can I say this? In my restroom. Okay, in my restroom, there's a cabinet, and the top part of the cabinet has come off. Now I want to know if
We won't listen to the whole call, but those are what come in. Here's my Riverside guy. He got one today. Let's see.
Voicemail and handyman service. I'm unavailable at the moment to take your call, but if you would, please leave your name, number, and a brief description of how I can help, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.
Yeah, hi. My name is Mike. I have a couple of things that need to be fixed. One is the window keeps sliding back down, and then there's a toilet that needs to be adjusted.
There's one, and there's another one. Looks like he's been super busy. He's booked till April, so.
Voicemail and handyman service. I'm unavailable at the moment to take your call, but if you would, please leave your name, number, and a brief description of how I can help, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.
Hi, my name is Emilio Petrillo. My number is 951-505-9741. I need to get an estimate on some drywall repair and painting. Please give me a call ASAP. Thank you. Bye.
So basically that's it, and we track the calls. We can see how many is generating. So basically, I'm just looking for someone to work with that is reputable, answers the phone, calls customers back, who can handle taking on more customers. Like I said, it gets about 10 to 20 legitimate service calls per month right now. But we're looking to grow, we're looking to expand. So, if that seems interesting to you, we can talk a little bit more about it. And I can set you up with on a free trial, so that way you can test it out for a couple weeks, see if you like it. If not, cool, we can move on. If you do, then we'll work out a deal that's mutually beneficial. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you right now. Looking forward to your call later on today or tomorrow whenever you get a chance. I know you're busy, but yeah, go ahead, check this out, and then reach out to me. All right, talk to you later, Marco. Thank you. Bye.